to just like a video to say Happy Mother's Day. Oh my god. Happy Mother's Day. Like and subscribe. I think it stopped.
Oh, I love this.
Well, personally, I think that went pretty